I had no choice, desperately trying to survive the terror of the merciless giant guardians. I didn't even try to fight. Well, anyway, today we finally get the chance to meet the birds and fight the first divine beast and meet a certain someone. Oh, they killed themselves. See ya, idiot. Hello. What's up? What's up? I'm gonna probably die in one shot. These guys are really strong. I gotta be careful. What's up? Oh my god, that hurt. Carrying a two-hand sword is not very useful against many enemies. I gotta fight wisely. You kinda piss me off every single time, blue guy. It's me and you. But you're still not strong enough to beat me. Give me your guts. Alright, how can I get there? Oh, I see a bridge there. That could be our way in. No worries, fella. With the speed of whistle running, we're gonna get there in no time. Don't run for me. I'm just a nice person. I mean no harm. I just wanna eat you.
Hello there.
Oh no, these idiots again. Yeah, look at this, 5 extra hearts. Yo, I can't cook anymore. I need some meat. Where are you animals? Let's go, horse. Let's collect some meat. And of course, without forgetting about the mushroom. Yay! Oh, you're lucky.
Gotcha, bitch.
But not against me. We need to learn how to give up, man. Hey, do you really wanna die that bad? Hey friend, how's it going? Alright, I'm gonna take these stamina frogs. You don't have enough money? That's embarrassing. Look what I've got. Oh. Now you're gonna give me 2 of these. And I will also take all of your arrows. Because I'm rich. Cold resistance. Increased stamina. And the sneaky elixir. And we should be good to go. Alright, divine beast, I'm ready for you. Oh, there is a birdman. How's it going? And this should be the village of the divine beast. Alright, the bird robot is mad. Hold up a second, how can I get to him? I never asked myself this question, unless there is a way to fly there. Oh hello, bird woman, how's it going? Are you a traveler? I'd like to show you around, but now is not really a good time. Where are we? This is Rito village, but well, you could say we're not in welcome mood. Talk to the folks in the village to hear all about it. Oh, there is another heart statue. Oh hello, I need more hearts please. Yeah, and we got another heart. Yeah, we are now ready for the divine beast. Oh, you sell bone barrels? Yo, I kinda want all of them, although I don't believe I can afford them. You know what? I will take them all. Sorry, but you don't have enough rupees.
Bruh.
What do you mean I don't have enough? It says 200. Oh, you mean 200 each pair?
Bruh.
Yo, this is new clothes. This is all expensive, man. How they expect me to buy this? $1,000?
Bruh.
Come on, man. This is way too expensive. Oh, I'm sorry, but we don't deal with brokies here. Screw you. I will become rich one day. Oh, hello, small bird. Hey, what's wrong? The divine beast, Va Meadow in the sky, is the worst. Don't worry. I'm gonna beat the shit out of it. Even dad got hurt, and Chulin's dad disappeared. Don't worry, small boy. I'm gonna get them back. Where are you, divine beast? I'm coming for you. Alright. What is this about? I see what's going on. And I believe I've done it. Yo, I thought that was gonna be too difficult. Turns out my brain is really big. Alright, let's see what's in this side. We have a chest. So we either use our ice style jutsu to get there, or we do this. Hup. Yeah. My brain is gonna explode today. Ancient core, interesting. We get new stuff. We're gonna try to not fall in the water. Oh, there is a chest. Yo, this is gonna bring me a high price. And yo, there is another chest. Your resolve soul is overcoming this trial. Speak to the promise of a hero. Oh, sorry, lady. Yo, there is snow there. There you go. He's sleeping. I thought he was meditating. Oh, a free bow? Hey there, put that bow back. I'm sorry. You know what? Just take it. What? You sure? Get the hell off of my place.
Okay.
Very weird person. I'm sorry, I mean bird. Oh, hello. You seem to be the boss. And not you. I was talking to the other one actually. Oh, the object on your hip. Let be. Forgive me. Where are my manners? I am Connolly, elder of Rito village. Now then, is that not a chic athlete? That's right. That means you must be a champion like Master Ravali, one of the few able to board Divine Beast of Amedo. They all died 100 years ago. Can you listen to my story?
Okay.
Now that I know you have the blood of a champion, I would like you to deal with Divine Beast of Amedo. I was planning to do that right away. Only a chosen one, a champion, can stop a Divine Beast. You must enter the beast and bend it to your will.
Later.
Please find Teba. If we work together, you may be able to stop Divine Beast Vamedo. Alright, I need to find Teba. Where is this Teba? I see that the map is pointing at something. He should be this guy. Hello there, Teba. Oh no, sorry, wrong one. I believe he's above there. I kinda messed up. I have to go back now. Where is he? I kinda have a hard time locating him. Could he be up there? Where is he? The map is pointing toward exactly here. But there is nobody here, we just saw it. Hey fellas, do you know an individual named Teba? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't speak bird language. It's pointing toward this guy, but he's definitely not the guy.
A few moments later.
Yeah, oh, it's your husband? Where did he go? He's in the Hebra mountain? Oh, what's going on? Am I having a breakdown again? Ooh, I wonder where I saw this place. Ooh, ooh.
My God! Okay, it's happening!
Impressive, I know. Very few can achieve a mastery of the sky.
I think most birds can do it.
With proper utilization of my superior skills, I see no reason why we couldn't easily dispense with Ganon. Let's not, pardon me for being so blunt, let's not forget the fact that I am the most skilled archer of all the Rito.
Okay.
All because you happen to have that little darkness-sealing sword on your back.
The darkness sword?
Unless you think you can prove me wrong? Maybe we should just settle this one-on-one.
Try me, bitch.
Yeah, I'm ready. Whenever you want.
How about up there?
Oh, that's not fair.
You must pardon me. I forgot you have no way of making it up to that divine beast on your own. Good luck sealing the darkness!
Okay, Sasuke. Ooh, are you alright? Oh yes, my apology. I just was in my head. Alright, let's go find this Cheba dude. Oh, it's nice. It's actually close to the shrine. Oh! Ooh, this is too cold. Even though I'm wearing this, we need to be fast, really fast. I'm losing my health. Is that a lizard? I don't have time to fight enemies. There is even horses here? Get out of my way. Oh, thanks, buddy. You were a great help. Nah. Get away from me. Where is the goddamn shrine?
Of Hidden Wind, Shah Warvu Shrine.
Here we go!
There you go, we are flying. Ooh, it's more cold. We have to go back quick. Yo, oh, I can just teleport. Yeah, I can teleport to the shrine. Good thing we've done it. See ya, idiot. But the snow area is really different from the rest of the world. So maybe after we beat the divine beast and buy the Rito cloth, we can explore it. Wait, my god, what did I do? I totally forgot our main objective.
Stupid.
We're supposed to go here to visit the bird guy. Damn, we have to go back. I totally forgot. Go, go, go. It should be close anyway. This must be the way. Light range. Alright, bird guy. Where are you? Hoop, hoop, hoop. Hello.
Yeah?
How's it going? Teba, a Rito warrior.
I don't know you. And I'm actually pretty busy here. You should probably go.
Oh no. It's another Sasuke guy.
Psych!
Come on. Be nice with me. I just need you to beat the divine beast. Actually, I just need you to be a taxi.
What did you say?
Let me get this straight. Some random Hellion want to help me bring down Divine Beast Vameda? I'm not buying it. I'm guessing the Elder asked you to come here and talk some sense into me. Am I right? Just like the Elder. To trust any fool wandering into town. Nah, bro. I'm not a fool. I'm here to save you all. Look, you seem like an alright guy, but let's make this clear. I'm not going anywhere. Come on, bro! I'm in cold. I don't have time to negotiate with you. But there is something you could do to prove yourself. I have an archery test for you. If you can destroy 5 of the targets set up in this valley in 3 minutes, we have a deal. Alright, I'm ready. Go! Am I worthy now? You are a skilled archer. It was as if time stopped with every arrow you let fly. I've got to tell you, Link, when you first showed up, I thought someone was pulling a prank on me. But after seeing you handle that bow, I can tell you, you are the real deal. You give me a chest for free. Falcon bow.
Falcon kick!
We are about to fly. Let's go. Alright, what's the plan? It's showtime. There is Divine Beast Vameda. It has its barrier up again. You see those cannons? I will draw their fire. While I'm doing that, use your bomb arrow to destroy the cannons. And wherever you do, don't get close enough to touch it. Let's go! I am ready! Vameda! Nope, you missed me. I missed. I need to get closer. How about now? Let's go to the second one.
Meanwhile.
Oh no! Oh, I'm going to die. I need some warm meal. We are different. We're gonna win this war.
Well done, Link. That thing is history.
It's time to beat this divine beast.
Bad news, Link. It looks like I got hit pretty good back there. I think I need to get back to the flight range. I just hope that I can make it back. You head down to Meadow.
I will take care of Vameda.
Good luck. It's all you.
I got you. Scanning our iPad, even in enemy territory.
I had a feeling you would show up eventually, but making me wait 100 years is a bit indulgent. Then the first thing you'll want to do is find yourself a map.
I see what we gotta do.
That guidance stone has the information for the layout of this divine beast. Can you make it there?
A few moments later. later.
Yum.
Disappear! I need to find the map. Quick, let's use our abilities as best as we can. Yo, I don't have time for you. Check this!
You'll need to look closely at your map of the Divine Beast. The terminals that will activate Meadow are marked by those glowing points. You'll need to activate all of the terminals to take back control. Think you're up to it?
Of course I am. Let's go. Let's do this quick. We don't have enough time. Oh no, don't fall! We are in. Disappear. We have to find a way to get there. This have to work.
Bruh.
Oh no! It went without me! No! What? Oh no, they stole my senzu bean. Oh no, how can we get there now? AI, get out of my sight of view.
Nope.
Oh no, it's far away. What shall we do now? This should do it. Come on, Link. Come on, no! Go! There you go! Yeah, we've done it. No, my senzu bean! Alright, we got one. Now, what's next? This is my last portion. We have 8 minutes. We have to do this quick. Now, this is our opportunity. Alright, we have to use this. Yes, we've done it. Alright, this is the second one. We still need 2 more. Oh no, there is 3 more. We are in trouble. We need to do this fast. We have 6 minutes. Maybe by using the same strategy. Go! Yes! And there is 3. Alright, I gotta put this here. Go there. Now we do this. Now. Disable. Vameda is officially disabled.
Now you just need to start the main control. I want you to take a good look at your map. Flap to it.
What's going on? The negative energy is forming. This is Ganon's little cousin, right?
Defeated me 100 years ago, but only because I was winging it. I can't believe I'm actually saying this. But you must avenge me, Link.
I gotcha. We have to take revenge for a volley. Oh, what's up? What's up? Check this. Oh, we did some damage at least. He's not invincible after all. Take this. Oh, Ultra Instinct. You're not that impressive. I'm gonna beat you. Show up. You coward. Can we reflect his attack? I'm afraid I'm still not good enough to do this. Die. Die. No, don't fall, you idiot. No, I'm gonna fall. I almost felt. I need to reflect his attack. Oh no, oh my shield, my shield. I'm still not ready for that. We just have to keep with the arrows. There is no other solution.
What did you say?
Alright, second round. I didn't wanna use this, but you left me no choice. Die! 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 Oh, whoa, what the hell is that? Oh no, it's gonna hit me! This is a mess.
Careful!
But no worries. I want to hold this up, but I'm gonna use my full power. Now! Yeah! You are defeated. You can't resist Link, the power of friendship. Look at you, defeated. It's finally over. Ooh, we got a heart container? That's for shrine.
Well, I'll be plucked. You defeated him, eh? Who would have thought?
Exactly, Mr. Volley.
Well done. I suppose I should thank you now that my spirit is free. This returns Meadow back to its rightful owner. Don't preen yourself just for doing your job.
I didn't say anything.
I do suppose you've proven your value as a warrior worthy of my unique ability, the sacred skill that I have dubbed Revali's Gale.
Ooh, we got a new ability.
It's now time to move on and start making preparations for Meadow's strike on Ganon. But only if you think you'll still need my help while you're fighting inside Hyrule Castle. Feel free to thank me now. Or, never mind, just go. Your job is far from finished, you know.
We have done it. We saved the birds.
The princess has been waiting an awfully long time.
Ganon is out for trouble now. Look at this Transformers show. Look at this pose. We're about to launch a blast.
Meadow's sights are now set. You'll have a precise speed on Ganon from this vantage point. The time is right. Give him everything you've got.
I will.
Meadow, we've been artfully patient for the last 100 years. I doubt you'll suffer a feather over a few more moments. After all these years, I simply must admit the truth.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Even without the power of flight, Link made his way to this divine beast and accomplished something that even I could not. Guess I was wrong about how lucky he would be.
How lucky he would be? That's called talent. Revali's Gale. Yo, let's go! We can freaking fly now. Yo, this is gonna help so much. You have done it, and you survive at that. You conquered divine beast Vameda. To think the beast has taken up roost at the top of the village. It looks simply divine. If the legend are true, the light from the divine beast will ravage the calamity. From now on, divine beast Vameda will become the protector of this village and live on in legend alongside you. Oh yeah. Of course, I must reward you properly. Feel free to take what you find in that treasure chest. If you had the sword that sealed the darkness in your possession, you would be the spitting image. I must find this sword. In the meantime, I'm gonna open this chest. Great Eagle Bow. Yo, this bow is really powerful. And all is perfect. As long as the sun is shining, I am happy. And everyone is happy. I'm out here taking some vitamin D. It's important for the skin. Don't judge me. Let's take some picture here.